Japanese writing systems. Introduction. Hello, my name is Madison Melinder. I'm doing this project a little late because I was trying to see if my group would reach out and we could do it together, but that did not happen, so I decided to do this by myself. I plan accordingly to put together all the research necessary to make this project meaningful. I struggled in applying myself to the language since I am not connected to it, but it was fun to learn the language, culture, and the way of writing in Japanese. Writing system overview. What is the Japanese writing system? Based on what I learned, the Japanese writing system is made up of three parts: Harojin, Keirin, and Keijin. Harojin is used for native Japanese words. It is a script that is composed of 46 basic characters. Hiragana is essential for native Japanese words. This is often the first language taught to the children. Keijin is from Chinese characters. This is composed up of concepts and ideas that had thousands of ideas. Each Keijin has its own meaning and multiple pronunciation. It is very complex. Katakana is made up of 46 characters and is used for foreign words and scientific terms. This is a more modern element to the Japanese language. Together, these concepts are vast expressions of the Japanese language. They are rich in communication and expands to the culture. Mastering of these creates fluency in both written and spoken. Vowels. There are 5 vowels. A sounds like I sounds like E, U sounds like O, E sounds like E, O sounds like O. Vowels in the Japanese are easy to learn because with the English language it can be hard to tell vowels apart since they sound the same. On the right you can see a picture of the letters in Japanese written out. I cannot get my computer to type in that language, so I just included the pictures so that you can see them. Consonants. Consonant sounds. Japanese has fewer consonants than English. Here are some examples. K sounds. This includes the consonant K, followed by the vowel A, I, U, E, and O. Each of these is essential for forming words. S sounds. The S character combines with the same vowels. This is a sh sound. Is unique since it represents the sh sound unlike the other groups. T sounds. This includes T sounds, with a ch being the standout in this group. N sounds. In this group, this focuses on the N sound. All the characters sound consonant, which represents vowels like na. H sounds. The H sounds are another crucial C in that it creates an F-like differing from the other terms. M sounds. The M sounds are straightforward and play a vital role in many Japanese words. The Y and W sounds. The Y group features the Y and the yes. This is important to create a vowel sound. Japanese doesn't frequently allow consonant clusters like English. It creates a flowing sound. These are building blocks for numerous words, phrases, and expressions in the language. This helps learners understand the rhythm and structure of Japanese. Each letter in Japanese is a syllable, not just a sound. So unlike English, how they spell each word / letter by letter, Japanese uses blocks of sound. An example of this would be A pronounced like in father, I pronounced like it in feet, U pronounced like O in foot, E pronounced like E in bed, and O pronounced like on. Word formation / rules. Each letter is made with a consonant and vowels. The letters are always around the same nouns in Japanese. Do not have grammatical gender, number, verbs, or conjuncted. Knowing these things help you identify the relationship between the speakers and the listeners. On the right, you can see the word and it listed with the letters. My analysis. What was easy for me? It was easy to separate the words individually. Easy to remember after lots of practice. I like to listen to the words on a video of them being said and then repeat what I heard. What was hard for me? Obtaining the information. I still am struggling with pronouncing some of the words in this PowerPoint because I just do not know how to pronounce them, and understanding the definitions that go into the words. Application. Start. I began by watching videos in Japanese for beginners that were easy to pronounce. Then I found a movie I had watched in English that was translated to Japanese so I knew what was going on and could translate the Japanese being heard to English. In the middle, I then switched to Duolingo and doing lesson plans on that. I also started to read easy child books and Japanese poems. I finished by reviewing the words with flashcards that I know and continually practicing them, and learning new words as I go. Understanding the background of the language really helped me grasp the information and build a strong foundation to help me grow on the words I was learning. My group collaboration. So I had to do this solo, so I made flashcards and reviewed those with Duolingo on my own, did my own research. I created this slideshow on my own. I took all my own notes and data and reviewed everything on my own. Now I am doing this presentation. Final thoughts. This assignment took a ton of dedication and time to properly understand this assignment and to complete it. I am very proud of myself for accomplishing all I learned on my own, and I am now able to speak a few words and even write a sentence in Japanese. This project was super fun, and I'm glad I was able to complete it and push myself to learn the information. Let me know if you have any questions that come to mind, or if you want to just dive deeper into Japanese and the progress it takes to learn this information. That is the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening to what I had to say, and I hope this gave you some knowledge of the Japanese and the culture behind the language and how important it is to learn it. Thank you.